Hey guys, it's Brittany, your natural hair coach and specialist. Bloop. And today I'm going to be talking to you about protein treatments. So I know a lot of people usually when they have breakage, the first thing they want to do is a protein treatment. But I'm here to tell you that that may not be the best option for you, and it could be detrimental to your hair. So keep listening if you're interested in knowing what I have to say. So protein treatments are good and can be bad. The hair is a balance between moisture and protein. So most of our body basically is made of protein. But our hair, having healthy hair, is a balance between the two. Natural hair is prone to dryness, so hydration is key. And a lot of people automatically assume if they have breakages because it's a lack of protein, but it could be a variable of different things. It could be, it's time for a trim. Maybe your hair is breaking or shedding because of that. It could just be normal shedding. It could be because your hair is damaged and you might need to cut it. It could be because your hair is not hydrated. It's because it's dry. So it doesn't automatically mean that your natural hair needs protein. So basically, sorry I keep saying but basically what protein does is what's supposed to do is supposed to get in your hair and fill the holes in your hair or weak spots in your hair, which is usually where the cuticle is lifted. And so in my experience, higher porosity hair usually has more issues when it comes to porosity because the cuticle is usually always slightly lifted. So the protein is supposed to be able to go in and fill those holes in the hair and strengthen the hair up. But our hair naturally has lifts in the cuticle if you have high porosity hair, because our hair goes in a spiral. Whether it's a big spiral, which makes a looser curl, or a really tight spiral, which makes the tighter coils. So the tighter ones, around the curves, the cuticle lifts up. It's lifting. And so what I've experienced with protein treatments, like some mainstream protein treatments that are like two-step protein treatments, I'm not going to call any names, I'm just saying, they are harsh on the hair. They're synthetic proteins. They basically coat the hair and they mask your problem. They're not actually helping your hair. They make your hair shinier, but it's also harder. And sometimes even following it with a deep moisturizing treatment is not enough. So I don't recommend using synthetic proteins on your hair. So my preference is using natural proteins, so products that have aminos in them. They are easily absorbed by the hair and they do not make the hair hard and brittle. They are really good when it comes to help strengthening your hair. So in my experience, it's really good for high porosity hair. And these type of proteins, they're not going to drastically take your ruined hair that you just took through the runners and repaired, and you have a great new head of hair. This is to prevent damage to your hair, prevent breakage, and to heal minor damage that you've done to your hair. So if you think that this video helped you out, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Let me know what you think. And also, guys, if you're interested in a group coaching that I will be having very soon, make sure that you email me with the email below, and I will leave a link to book a free call. So in that free call, you will have the option of getting a one-on-one, a bonus 101 live coaching session with me. So a coaching session where we can talk about your personal issues and I can help you diagnose what you need to do, because I specialize in creating simple and easy regimens for women with natural hair to grow longer and healthy hair that fit into their lifestyle and their schedule. So wearing styles that accommodate your lifestyle and they're not draining when you don't dread your wash days. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure that you email me or go ahead and book that call. If you book that call today, you will have a chance of getting the bonus one-on-one live coaching. So don't miss out, because the space is limited and the time is limited. I will not be doing this forever. And so make sure you check it out, and I can't wait to talk to you. Make sure that you are subscribed, you leave a comment, and all of that, you know. So I will talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.